Hello friends, welcome back to our channel C for Carbon. Today we'll be discussing about odd electron molecules. Odd electron molecules are, as the name suggests, molecules having odd number of electrons. Odd number of electrons. That is, for example, nitric oxide NO. If you consider nitric oxide NO, nitrogen has 7 electrons in total and oxygen has 8 electrons, making it a total of 15 electrons, which is an odd number, right? Another example, NO2, nitrogen dioxide. Here also the case is same. Nitrogen is having 7 electrons in total. Oxygen 2 into 8, 2 into 8. 2 oxygen atoms are there. That is 2 into 8, 16. So if you add this 7 and 16, you will get 23 electrons, which is also an odd number. So such molecules like NO and NO2, where there are odd number of electrons, are called odd electron molecules. If you look at the structure of the first compound NO, N has, nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, right? 5 valence electrons. I will represent it like this. And oxygen has 6 valence electrons. Oxygen has 6 valence electrons, right? So these two and these 2 electrons of nitrogen and these 2 electrons of oxygen will form a double bond. Okay, this is the structure of NO. So if you see here, octet rule is not obeyed, right? Because nitrogen 1 plus 2 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 electrons are there. Its octet is not completed. Also for oxygen, 2, 4, 6, 8 is octet completed, but nitrogen's octet is not completed, right? So this is a limitation of the famous octet rule, So odd electron molecules are a limitation of octet rule. The existence of odd electron molecules are a limitation of octet rule. If you consider the structure of NO2, it will be like nitrogen, 2 oxygens are there. So one nitrogen will make a coordinate bond with oxygen. So oxygen will get a negative charge. Also, there will be 6 valence electrons around it. Okay. Sorry, actually 8, including this in the coordinate bond. So since nitrogen is forming a coordinate bond with oxygen, nitrogen will get a positive charge and oxygen will get a negative charge, and here there will be a double bond, a normal double bond. So oxygen will have remaining 4 electrons here, So if you look at a nitrogen, one more electron will be left, right? That one electron will be here. So here NO2 molecule, this is the structure of NO2 molecule. If you look at this here also, the octet of all the atoms will not be satisfied. For oxygen, it is of course satisfied, but for this oxygen also it is satisfied. But in case of nitrogen, the octet isn't satisfied, because there is a total of 2, 4, 6, 7 electrons only around nitrogen. So we can say that in this molecule also, which is an odd electron molecule, the octet of all the elements are not satisfied. Still such a molecule is existing. So this is also an example of odd electron molecules, which is an exception or a limitation of the great octet rule. Okay, so thank you for listening. Okay, bye.